Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cree. I'm a holistic trichologist and hairstylist. I'm back to show you guys how I took my clients' hair from this to this in just a matter of 6 short weeks. So right here is my setup, and I decided on a program that included a combination of PRP treatments and growth factors to reverse my client's hair loss. She's already 2 weeks into the program and benefiting from the results of my program. Her hair is a lot fuller than when she initially came in. Here I'm assessing her scalp, being sure that there's no irritation or inflammation from her previous treatment so that I can go ahead and start with her next treatment. The type of hair loss she is experiencing is known as diffuse hair loss or telogen effluvium, which is common in both men and women and 100% reversible. This hair loss is usually temporary and due to an underlying factor. The type of method of treatment that I'm using is known as microneedling. This process is used to allow better absorption of product or plasma that is put on the scalp. It is also allowing the scalp to go through a healing process. Once these needles are injected to the scalp, cells rush to this area to heal the area. So it is regenerating hair follicles as well as promoting blood flow. If you have this machine at home, unless you are certified to use it, I highly recommend that you discontinue use unless you have certification. If you misuse this machine, you can cause permanent damage to your scalp. You can cause permanent hair loss. Initially, this machine was used on the skin to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and give a more youthful appearance and glow to the skin. Right here, this is maybe 4 weeks into my client's treatment, and I'm just admiring how beautiful and how full her hair is. Her hair looks darker, it looks shinier, and we are seeing less scalp in this video. Next, I'm still doing microneedling. These treatments should be done at least once a week. This is going to be based on your comfort level. If you feel like you need more time, these can be done every 2 weeks to give your scalp time to heal. Just make sure that you discuss it with me or your trichologist or whomever is giving you these treatments, and you should schedule your treatments according to your comfort level. These are the final results of my client's 6-week program. As you notice, her hair is a lot fuller than before. We're no longer able to see her scalp through her hair. Her part is smaller. Her hair is thicker, shinier, and healthier. If you're not in the St. Louis area and you don't have access to a trichologist in your area, but you would like to achieve similar results, I highly recommend you click the link down below. Go to trycreahairgrowthsystem.com. You can order the Max Growth Therapy system, and you can use the system at home to achieve these results. Results are not typical, and I highly recommend that you understand the type of hair loss that you have before purchasing any system. Thanks for watching. If you are someone who is experiencing hair loss, I hope that this video encouraged you and it gave you some knowledge on different options that you have available to you to reverse your own type of hair loss. If you like this content and you want to see more content like this, make sure that you're subscribed and hit the notification button so you get all my new videos that come out on Monday.